In 1994, this man revealed the greatest secret in reality. Human consciousness directly shapes physical matter. He was ridiculed by researchers worldwide who considered him a fraud. That is, until he showed the results of his experiments in the lab. Meet Masaru Emoto. He was neither a physicist nor a biologist. He was a simple man with a radical question. What if human thoughts, emotions, and words could change the physical world? And he had a plan. Emoto began his research with one element: water. Why? Water covers 70% of the earth, 70% of your body. If thoughts can affect matter, water would be the ultimate test. But how do you prove something so invisible? Emoto's answer: freeze it. He collected water samples from around the world: clean rivers, polluted lakes, bottled water, tap water. Then he froze the water and studied the ice crystals under a microscope. What he found astonished him. Water exposed to positive words like love or gratitude formed stunningly beautiful, complex crystals. But water exposed to negativity, words like hate or idiot, produced chaotic, broken, and ugly formations. The difference was undeniable. And it didn't stop there. He played classical music to the water, the result breathtakingly beautiful crystals. Then he played heavy, aggressive music. The crystals distorted and broken like shards of anger frozen in time. When Emoto published his findings in his book, the backlash was immediate. "Pseudoscience," critics shouted. "How could water have feelings?" But Emoto wasn't claiming that water had feelings. He revealed something much deeper. He believed water was a mirror of human consciousness. Our thoughts, words, and emotions leave a powerful imprint on the world around us. And water, with its fluidity and sensitivity, reflects that imprint in its crystalline structure. Yet scientists doubted him. So Emoto upped the stakes. He invited independent researchers to replicate his experiments. They used water, microscopes, and controlled conditions. Some results matched Emoto's, others didn't. But one thing was clear: the idea couldn't be outright dismissed. In 2003, Emoto conducted an experiment with 2,000 people. He placed water bottles in front of them. On one bottle, the word love. On another, the word hate. The participants meditated, focusing their intentions on the bottles. The crystals spoke volumes. The love water formed beautiful, harmonious patterns. The hate water, jagged, chaotic, broken. And people began to wonder if thoughts and words can affect water. What do they do to us? To our relationships, to our planet? Critics pointed out flaws in Emoto's methods. How do we know the crystals weren't randomly selected? What about peer review? Emoto didn't argue. He said, "If you don't believe me, try it yourself. The truth doesn't need defending." Of course, many people did just that. Teachers ran Emoto's experiments with their students. Families wrote the words love and hate on jars of rice soaked in water. The results were strangely consistent. The love jars remained fresh while the hate jars rotted. Coincidence or consciousness? If words, emotions, and sounds can change water, what about humans? We are 70% water. Can our thoughts, our consciousness, shape our health, behavior, environment, and even our reality? See you next episode. If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe.